morning, everyone. I hope you are all safe and doing well. Welcome to our virtual class in Mathematics 6. In order for you to have a clear understanding of the lesson that we're going to have today, let us first define the terms which are needed for you to understand. First, we have the exponential notation. When we say exponential notation, it is commonly found in algebraic terms, expressions, and equations. Another one we have the base. This is different from the other base that we have already in the previous lessons. Base is, it tells us what number is being multiplied. Next we have exponents or exponent. Means that it tells how many times the base is used as a factor. Anyone who can give me the product of these numbers? 2 times 2 times 2. What's your answer? Okay, the correct answer is 8. Today's lesson is on describing the exponent and the base in a number expressed in exponential notation. Let's have this example, 4 times 4 times 4. We are going to write this in exponential notation. Write first the number that has to be multiplied as a factor or the base. Then, count the number of times the base has been multiplied. So, how many times? Okay, it has been multiplied 3 times, and that would be the exponent. So, we have here 4 as the base or the factor, and 3 as the exponent. So, now, we can write the expression 4 times 4 times 4 in exponential notation as 4 cubed, or you can read it as 4 cubed or 4 raised to 3. Is it clear? Thank you. Let's try to answer this. Write 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 in exponential notation. Okay, first, write the base. Okay, and then count the number of times the base has been multiplied. Okay, do you get this answer? Okay, then let's try to evaluate. We have here 3 to the 4th. An expanded form is 3 times 3 times 3. So, let's multiply. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27, times 3 is equal to 81. Very good. How about for this expression? 2 times 2 times 3 times 3 in exponential notation. Okay, first, write the factor. It's 2. Then, count the number of times it has been multiplied. Okay, very good. So, it is 2 squared. Then, the next one, the factor is 3. And then, how many times it has been multiplied? 2 times. Okay, so it is written as 3 squared. Then, put a multiplication sign between them. Then you have 2 squared times 3 squared. So let's try to evaluate this expression. You have 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. First, let's multiply 2 times 2. It's equal to 4. Then the next is 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So let's now multiply. 4 times 9 is equal to 36. So, it means that 2 squared times 3 squared is equal to 36. Okay? Okay, so what about if we use letters or variables to represent numbers like x? It's the same as x raised to 1. Remember that if there is no exponent written, it means that the number or the base has an exponent of which it is to the first power. Okay, for example, you have there 2, then it has an exponent of 1. 3 has an exponent of 1. 5 has an exponent of 1. It's the same also as when you see letters or variables written. It has an exponent raised to 1. Let's try to answer some of these problems. Let's have x times x. Okay, how did you do it? Yes, very good. It is x squared. What about this one? Okay, very good. It is x cubed. What about this one? Yes, it's x raised to 5. And what about these numbers? Anyone who can give me the answer? Yes, it is x squared y cubed. Okay? Did you got it? Thank you. In your notebook, write the following in exponential notation. Only in exponential notation, there's no need to get its value. Okay? Okay, let's have another example. Expand each of the following exponential notations and evaluate. Okay, you already have there an example. So you have 4 cubed. An expanded form is 4 times 4 times 4. And when you evaluate 4 times 4 times 4, it is equal to 64. Then do 6 cubed, 5 to the 4th, 2 to the 8th, 3 cubed times 4 squared, and 5 squared times n squared. Can you now describe this exponential notation? Okay, let me see. 5 squared. So what number is the base? Yes, it's 5. What about the exponent? Yes, can you now tell me what is a base? Very good. It is the factor. And what about the exponent? Okay, very good. It tells us the number of times the base has been multiplied. You're now going to choose the letter of the correct answer. Okay, number 1. In the expression 7 cubed, what is the exponent? A 7, B 3, C 21, D 343. Okay, next. What is the base in the expression 12 to the 4th? A 4, B 12, C 48, D 2. Okay, next. Number 3. Which of the following describes the exponent? A. The answer in multiplication problem. B. The number being multiplied repeatedly. C. The number that tells how many times the base is used. Letter D. A small number written below the line. Write your answer. Number 4. Which expression is equivalent to 5 times 5 times 5? A. 5 cubed. B. 3 raised to 5. C. 15. D. 5 squared. Number 5. A tiny organism splits into 2 every hour. If you start with 1, the population after 5 hours is 2 raised to 5. In this case, the base 2 represents A. The number of hours, B. The number of new organisms created each time, D. The starting number of organisms, letter D. The total population. Okay?